Good morning, class 8. Welcome to math class. Today we will continue the same chapter, chapter 7, factorization of algebraic expression, exercise 7.2. Question number 1, factorize by regrouping. Statement is 15mn plus 6m plus 10n plus 4. We have to regroup and then we have to factorize. These are already in grouping. Now I have made first and second in first group and second and third term in next group. So now from first and second term, which is common? Highest common factor we have to take it. 3m is common. Left term is 5n plus 2. If we take 3m common, what is left here? 5n. If we take common 3m, then 3 2s are 6, 2 is left here. Plus what is common between 10n and 4? 2 is common. What is left here? 5n plus 2. In bracket same term will be here. 5n plus 2, 5n plus 2. So 5n plus 2 common, and in next bracket 3m plus 2. So we have factorized this statement 5n plus 2 and 3m plus 2. Next question. 6xy minus 4y plus 6 minus 9x. 6xy minus 4y as it is. I have taken 4 term in third place minus 9x plus 6. Now make group. What is common between 6xy minus 4y? 2y common. 3x minus 2 in first bracket minus 3 common, and 3x minus 2 is here, and overall common is here. 3x minus 2 we have taken common. So what is left? 2y minus 3. Next question. X square plus xy plus 9x plus 9y. Make a group. X is common. We have taken x common. X square is here. If x common, what is left here? X. X is common. What is left here? Y. Plus take 9 common. What is left? X plus y. So from whole x plus y is common. What is left? X plus 9. Next question. We have to factorize using identity. So we have to apply these identities in next question. A plus b whole square, we know a square plus b square plus 2ab. We have already done. A minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. A square minus b square equal to a minus b, a plus b. So we have to use these identities and we have to solve this question. X square minus 25. X square minus 25 we can write as 5 raised to power 2. 5 5s are 25. So it is in the form of a square minus b square. So we have to apply identity a minus b, a plus b. A square minus b square equal to a minus b, a plus b. So x minus 5, x plus 5. In the place of a, x is here. In the place of b, 5 is here. So x minus 5, x plus 5. Next question. 24 a square minus 54 b square. First we have to check anything is common between this number. Yes, 6 is the highest common factor. We can take 6 as a common. So what is left here? 4a square minus 9b square. 6, 4a square we can write 2a whole square minus 3b whole square. Now same identity we have to apply. A square minus b square, a minus b, a plus b. 6 is as it is, and 2a minus 3b, 2a plus 3b. This is the answer. Next, 36x square minus 1 by 169. 36x square we can write 6x whole square. 6x into 6x, that is 36x square. Minus 1 by 169 we can write 1 by 13 whole square. 13 13s are 169. It is in the form of a square minus b square. So a minus b, a plus b. 6x minus 1 by 13, 6x plus 1 by 13. This is the answer. Next question. 25a square minus 4b square plus 28bc minus 49c square. 25a square as it is. I have taken minus common, so sign will be changed. 4b square plus 28bc, but we have taken minus common, so minus 28bc. We have taken minus common, it will become plus 49c square. 25a square we can write 5a whole square minus 4b square we can write 2b square. 49c square we can write 7c square, and 28bc we can write 2 into 2b into 7c. So a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here identity we have applied a square plus b square minus 2ab. 5a square as 5a whole square as it is, minus we can write as 2b minus 7c whole square. a minus b whole square. In the place of a we are having here 2b, in the place of b we are having here 7c. 2b minus 7c whole square. Now a square, this whole term is b, a b, a square minus b square, we have to apply a minus b, a plus b. 5a plus 2b minus 7c, 5a minus 2b plus 7c. So 5a minus, if minus is there, so sign will be changed, so plus 7c. This is the answer. Next question. 7.32 into 7.32 minus 2 into 7.32 into 2.68 plus 2.68 into 2.68 upon 7.32 into 7.32 minus 2.68 into 2.68. 7.32 2 times here, so whole square, minus it will be as it is, plus 2.68 2 times here, whole square, upon 7.32 2 times, it is also 2 times, we can write as in the power of 2. Now a square plus b square minus 2ab. So which identity we have to apply? A minus b whole square. It is a, it is b. A minus b whole square. 7.32 minus 2.68 whole square upon a square minus b square. A minus b, a plus b. 7.32 minus 2.68, 7.32 plus 2.68. Now whole square is here, so we can write as 2 times 7.32 minus 2.68, 7.32 minus 2.68. Denominator will be as it is, we can cancel it. Now what is left? 7.32 minus 2.68. We can subtract, we get 4.64. If we add this two term, we get 10.00. Remove the decimal. Now 100 cancel, 464 by 1000. Now place the decimal, we get 0.464. So by using identity and by regrouping, we have to factorize, and so try exercise 7.2. Thank you so much.